Hi fellow traders, here is a pretty simple trade of USD JPY to the long side. I have entered my long position at 107.10 and I'm waiting for this mid band of the Bollinger. So my target is somewhere around 107.60 and this mid band will be touched most probably. So this is the one thing which I see on daily time frame, and I think I had explained about this behavior of GBP USD to be in the band in last video as well. So you can see the previous price action is somewhere between the upper and lower band, and the middle band is very easy to be touched by the price. One thing is, this is what we see on a daily time frame, and now we'll look at the RSI. RSI touched the oversold area and return back, and there is enough room to the upside. So there is no overbought kind of condition. There is enough room for going to the upside. Now let's look at the 1 hour time frame. If you will, we look at the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the market has been in the tendency of making lower low and lower highs. For example, you can see all this market has been making lower lows and lower high. It was in a very sharp fall downtrend, then made this high, then made lower low, this swing high, then again lower swing low here. So from this point to this point, it was in strong downtrend, but this recent swing erased the very recent downswing as it went above this previous swing high. Therefore I waited for the retracement to the downside, and retracement took place already, and then market is going up and I entered my position already. If we draw Fibonacci retracement tool here, we can see that market returns somewhere from the 50 and 38.2 level, and it's going up with very nice speed, and I took my position. And now there can be two kind of scenario of the price development. First scenario says that market will keep going up. Second scenario says that market can go up, then again come back and make ABCD to the downside and can reach 61.8. It can develop like this. Just a moment, let me change the style of this trend line. Alright, it can go like this, then it can come back like this to the 61.8% level, and then probably it will, after this A, B, C, D retracement, then finally it will go with better speed. This is the one very hypothetical, very imaginary kind of scenario which we don't know, which we don't know that it will take place or not. But it can be possible. That's why we'll have to be ready if market goes down and 1 hour candle closes below this previous low. In that kind of condition, I will open a sell position against the buy position, and I will immediately close the sell position right at 61.8 level. And then I will hold on to the buy position unless there is a significant fall. What will happen here most probably is that price will go take support here, and then probably price will make a bullish candle pattern on 4 hour. We will not take 1 hour candle pattern into our account for making a decision. So therefore we'll switch to 4 hours. We'll switch to 4 hour, and if market goes like this, even if falls, we'll hold on to the sell buy position as well as sell. We'll close sell here. We'll take profit in the sell position here, and then we'll wait for further development. If price doesn't stop here, if price doesn't make support, if price doesn't make a bullish candle pattern on 4 hour here, then we will exit the buy position in loss. Otherwise we'll hold on to the buy position. So this is what we will have to do if market start going against us. Otherwise, if market is going up, we can simply keep our take profit at 107.60, as I explained. That is the mid band or the Bollinger on daily time frame. This line 107.60, somewhere around 107.60, you can see 107.60. So that is the midline. I don't know how will midline develop in upcoming days, or maybe where will it stay on Monday. But I'm not keeping TP here. I will rather wait for the touching this band. As soon as the price touches the band, I'm going to close this buy position and take the profit. So this is the profit taking plan, and I have already explained the plan what we will have to do if price goes against us, if price start falling from any point before touching our TP. So that's all about the USD JPY right now. Let's see how it develops, and let's see whether it keeps going up from here like this and touches our target or not. So before I stop this video, I'll have to add two more points. One, this is a quick trade on 1 hour time frame. Basically the The setup was decided on daily time frame because market was in such kind of range in the Bollinger Band, but the setup entry has been done as per the price development I see on this 1 hour time frame. Retracement, then going up. Alright, and RSI right now crossed above the 50, and this is one significant thing which I always look for before making a decision. So I saw that it crossed above 50, and then I took my buy position. So this is the factor I considered. Another thing is the expansion level for band. I believe AB equals CD is less important. More important is 127.2% of the retracement. That is 127.2% of the BC. So let's measure the 127.2% of BC. If this is going to develop like A, B, C, and D to the upside, then it can be AB equals CD. If AB equals CD will take place, then our target will be quite bigger. AB equals CD will give us a target at 108.14, and I don't need 108.14, we just need 107.60 or something, a price level around that to touch the mid band. And I think 127 of this BC retracement will be somewhere around that. Let's measure and let's calculate. Look, price doesn't exactly go to that level and return or take react, but yeah, these levels is what we have to determine the targets. There is no other way. So retracement, yeah, like, and then I will just change these levels. I'll put 1.272 in the level, 1.272, description 127.2%, 2% of BC. All right, okay, so this is where BC, this is the minimum requirement for developing ABCD, ABC, where the length of CD is 127.2% of the retracement BC, irrespective of the length of AB. It has nothing to do with the length of AB. So this price level is, yeah, exactly 107.62. Very nice. So this is going to be the next nearest immediate resistance where price will, or price may react a little. So that's why we are going to exit 107.61.8 is what we see right now. So this is our TP level, and I think this is coinciding already with the mid band of the Bollinger or daily time frame. So that's all about this USD JPY. If there is anything, comment on the blog page. That is a news and analysis page of the website. Thank you for watching.